everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a top 10 Trader Joe's items video, and let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one that I was never expecting to talk about on my channel are these Trader Joe's hot and spicy dill pickle chips. These have a kick to them. If you are a pickle type of person, I highly recommend this as a snack. I'm always reaching for these like around 5 p.m. happy hour time. Gives you that salty, satiating fix. These are definitely something to check out. These are the Trader Joe's Portobello Mushrooms, and these are really cheap, which is why I love getting these at Trader Joe's. My favorite way I've been using these Portobello Mushrooms is by creating little pizzas. Now, this has been a game changer. You can make a sandwich out of these Portobello halves and really just get creative with it. They're really versatile, but they're also very filling. That's why I love them. I kind of always was scared to pick these up in the grocery store, but now I pick them up once every 2 weeks if I can, because I always can create an awesome dish out of these. The third one looks really sad, but this is a little individual guacamole pack. I appreciate individually wrapped items, and Trader Joe's does a really good job with that. Eating a whole thing of guac, it's not hard to do, but also it helps having a little discipline, having these pre-packaged, and so that you know exactly your portions. So exactly right here, I know this is 100 calories, it's one serving. The next item is a pesto. Now, I used to get the jarred pesto from Trader Joe's, and this is a newer version of pesto. It's their vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto. So all those things just drew me in right away. It's a lot healthier of a version than the jarred pesto, and I actually prefer the taste of it better. And I love this with zoodles and salmon. That's like literally a 3-ingredient meal right there. You need something just add a lot of flavor into your pesto person. This is totally worth checking out. Next, I have these Trader Joe's Gyros slices, and it is almost a joke how easy it is to make these. You heat it up on a skillet for 20 seconds each side, and so it's just really thinly sliced meat. It is so savory and delicious. It tastes so good, like I'm going to a local food truck and eating a gyro myself. The next one, I don't know if I'm gonna say right, but I have been seeing these type of almonds everywhere. They're the Marcona almonds with rosemary. I've had this every day since I bought it last week. I'm obsessed with it. It is so good, and you only need just a little bit to feel full, and the flavor is just spot on, and I love these. They're becoming really big. I'm seeing it everywhere, especially in the keto community. So I just love this. It has a really nice Mediterranean flavor, very filling, and again, very satiating. And I love to mix that up in a bowl with my next favorite Trader Joe's item at the moment, and is this Simply Light dark chocolate. It also comes in milk chocolate, and this is 50% cacao. 3 of these squares, it's only 1 net carb, which I haven't seen anything that low. So I'll actually alternate between the almonds and this. I'll put it in a little bowl and go back and forth, salty, sweet, and it really does the job. It quenches my hunger, and I am good to go for the rest of the day. These are the oven-baked cheese bites. Pretty self-explanatory how good these are. 100% cheese, gluten-free, high in protein. I almost don't believe these nutrition facts. You can really just indulge without feeling guilty, and this is a salty snack that you can even sprinkle in your salads. You can just have to get that cheese fix. If you go to Trader Joe's, and you probably already know about this, but everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend is one hot ticket item for good reasons. It is an amazing mix of sea salt, onion, garlic, and all those fantastic flavors you get on an everything bagel, and it can really go on anything. I personally love it on avocado. I love it on my eggs. Adds a little texture to your breakfast as well, and a little crunch. This stuff you just have to try. It's so flavorful. It packs the punch with flavor. So you guys definitely need to check it out, and it is so cheap too, and there's really nothing else quite like it on the market. Last but not least, since spring is here, I am a sucker for wine in a can. Look how cute this is, the Simpler brand wines at Trader Joe's. It has it in white wine and also rosé. Get a pack of 4, and it breaks down to almost like less than $1 per wine can, and you can't really beat that. Well, there you have it. Those are my top 10 favorite Trader Joe's items at the moment. It was very hard to narrow it down to 10, as you can imagine. I'd love to hear what some of your favorite Trader Joe's items are in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. As always, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this, and I also do a lot of beauty videos to help you look and feel your best. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.